Okay, so we're going to be replacing the fuel filter on this 1.5 Transit Connect. It's a 14 plate. The customer's having a non-start issue, but we suspect it's the fuel filter that's blocked up. So we're going to replace that and see what kind of state the old one is in.
Okay, so in the engine bay, you'll have to remove the engine cover in order to see the fuel filter. But that's where it is, just there. You have to remove this frame that's just above it. I think they're 7mm bolts. Once they're removed, you can disconnect the sensors and the fuel lines to and from, and bolt the actual securing nut, bolt, sorry, and this will come out.
Okay, so this is the old fuel filter. We're going to drain it into this cap now so we can see how contaminated the diesel is. Not sure if you can see on camera. See all those bits in the diesel? Take off the top, I believe they're 15 Torx bolts. Yeah, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. There's quite a significant amount of crud and debris in there. Probably that there's contamination in the tank, and if it wasn't the fuel filter itself that's blocked, it's probably the lines going to the filter. The job for that would be to take the fuel lines down, give them a clean out, take the fuel tank down and clean out the fuel tank. In the meantime, need to seal the new filter. It's a little cut out for it, so should just sit in nice. There's only one way it'll go on because of the bolt holes are offset. This pump is sucking fuel from the tank, now I'm pumping it into the fuel filter. Okay, so once the fuel system is fully primed, you can disconnect that pipe and just put on the original piping. Start it up, make sure she doesn't splutter, and once that's done, you're way to go.